Rex Ryan does when he's got players on defense.
Ricky in New Hampshire, your thoughts?
Look, I just got to say, thank God Tony in today's video what's the reason, because you're completely underestimating Felger, that is. You're completely underestimating, first of all, how good the Bills are, and second of all, how difficult road games within the division are. I think this year, this is going to be the closest the division has been since 2009 when we won by a game over Rex Jets. And I just want to point out, this is the best offense that Rex has ever had. You got Sammy Watkins, they added Percy Harvin, they added Michelle